Today we are going to learn the fourth chapter of Social, Oceans and Fishing of 7th class. Let's go into the chapter. The Earth is known as a watery planet as it is the only planet containing water. It is estimated that about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans and seas. An extension of saline water on the Earth is called sea. Large seas areas are called oceans. Oceans are huge water bodies of water generally separated by the continents. It will be interesting to find out what lies under the water. The surface of the water does not have to tell us about what lies under it. You may have the opportunity to notice or feel what the bed of the river or stream or pond is like. Ocean relief. The floor of the ocean is just like the surface of the earth. The bottom of the sea is not a flat surface. It consists of hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, stretches, etc. Many trenches on the ocean floor are so deep that even if the Mount Everest was placed in them, it would drown completely. A major part of the ocean floor is about 3 to 6 kilometers below the sea level. The waters of the ocean are never still. There are different kinds of movements in them. Ocean water have three kinds of movements. They are waves, currents and tides. Waves. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls, they are called waves. Waves are formed when the gentle winds scrape across the ocean surface. The faster the wind, the bigger will be the waves. Currents. In the ocean, water moves from one part to the another in big streams. These streams, which flow constantly in a defined direction on the surface of the ocean, are called ocean currents. The ocean currents are two types, the warm currents and the cold currents. The warm currents flow from the equation region towards the poles. The cold currents flow from the poles to the equation regions. They are mainly caused by prevailing winds difference in temperature and salinity of the ocean water. Tides. Tides are the dramatic rise and the fall in the level of the water in the oceans every day. All places on the coast experience some hours of low tide and some hours of high tide. Tides do not rise to the same height every day. When the tide is high, water comes up to the coast for some distance, then as low tide begins, the water moves back from the land. The tides are great help for fishing. Tides at some places take away the mud brought down by the rivers and prevent silting. We will discuss about this lesson later in part 2. Bye guys, see you, subscribe to my channel.